Welcome back to the channel Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Massey Ferguson 5711, a tractor that continues to raise the bar in the mid-range utility segment. Known for its durability, efficiency, and modern features, the 5711 is designed to meet the evolving needs of farmers and operators who demand both performance and comfort. The 2025 model of the Massey Ferguson 5711 comes equipped with a powerful AGCO Power 4-cylinder engine that delivers a robust 110 horsepower. This engine is built to perform in all kinds of working conditions, whether you're plowing, hauling, or using heavy-duty attachments. Thanks to its advanced fuel injection system and optimized combustion, the 5711 offers great fuel efficiency, reducing overall operational costs. One of the standout features of the 5711 is its transmission system. The Dyna 4 transmission gives you 16 forward and 16 reverse speeds with smooth clutchless shifting. It allows you to easily adapt to different tasks without stopping or losing momentum, making work more productive and less tiring. The optional auto-drive feature adds automatic shifting for even greater convenience during road transport or fieldwork. The tractor is also fitted with electronic control systems that allow you to fine-tune the engine, transmission, and hydraulics for better performance. The electronic linkage control makes attaching implements more straightforward, while the electronic spool valves help improve hydraulic control. Whether you're managing a large farm or doing custom fieldwork, these systems make it easier to get the job done with precision. Comfort has not been overlooked in the 2025 Massey Ferguson 5711. The cab is spacious and ergonomically designed, featuring a fully adjustable seat with air suspension, improved visibility, and intuitive controls. The climate control system keeps you comfortable throughout the day, and reduced cabin noise means you can focus more easily on your work. The dash features a digital display that gives real-time information about engine performance, fuel usage, and diagnostics, keeping you informed at all times. Hydraulic performance on the 5711 is impressive as well. It offers a high-flow hydraulic system with a total flow of up to 100 liters per minute, which is more than enough to run a wide variety of modern implements. The rear linkage lift capacity is around 5,200 kilograms, giving it the muscle needed for heavier tools and tasks. For those who work with PTO-driven equipment, the Massey Ferguson 5711 is equipped with a 540/540 1000 RPM PTO setup. This makes it versatile enough to handle everything from simple mowers to complex balers or feed mixers. Switching between PTO speeds is simple and efficient, saving you time and effort. The tractor also supports Isobus compatibility, which allows you to connect and control smart implements through the tractor's onboard system. This feature is becoming increasingly important in precision agriculture, enabling data collection and implement automation that leads to better yields and lower input costs. Another major advantage of the 2025 model is its robust build quality. Massey Ferguson has used high-grade materials and tested components to ensure longevity, even under tough operating conditions. The frame is built to withstand heavy work and the axles provide the strength and durability needed for consistent field performance. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy access to filters, service points, and engine components. The tractor's design ensures that routine checks can be completed quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping you in the field longer. Additionally, with long service intervals, you spend less time and money on upkeep. In terms of appearance, the Massey Ferguson 5711 looks modern and tough, with bold lines and a strong stance. It reflects the brand's commitment to blending tradition with innovation. The signature red bodywork, clean grille design, and integrated lighting give it a professional and confident look, whether it's in the field or on the road. Overall, the 2025 Massey Ferguson 5711 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performing utility tractor that doesn't compromise on comfort or technology. It's built for versatility, capable of handling everything from row crop farming to livestock work and beyond. Massey Ferguson continues to prove that they understand the needs of the modern farmer, and the 5711 is a shining example of that commitment. Thanks for watching this detailed overview of the 2025 Massey Ferguson 5711 on Auto Pulse. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest tractors and agricultural machinery. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below, we love hearing from you. I'll see you in the next video.